Hello kids! Today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z and color name. Black color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, red color, dark green color, light green color, white color, gray color, orange color, purple color, brown color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint. Sky blue color. A for ant. Yellow color. B for butterfly. Orange color. C for cat. Light green color. G for dog. Purple color. E for egg. Pink color. F for fish. Sky blue color. G for goat. Yellow color. H for hen. Orange color. I for ice cream. Purple color. J for jam. Light green color. K for kite. Pink color. L for lion. Sky blue color. M for milk. Yellow color. N for nose. Orange color. O for onion. Purple color. P for pen. Light green color. Q for queen. Pink color. R for rain. Sky blue color. S for sun. Yellow color. T for tiger. Orange color. U for umbrella. light green color, V, V for van. Pink color, W, W for watermelon. Sky blue color, X, X for X-ray. Yellow color, Y, Y for yo-yo. Orange color, Z, Z for zebra.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N
A,
O P Q R
B,
S T U
C,
V W
D,
X Y and
E,
Z. Now I
F,
know my
G,
ABCs. Next time,
H,
won't you sing
I,
with me?
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
A B C D E
V,
F G
W,
H I J K
X,
L M N O P
Y,
Q R S
Z.
T